This is going to be a quick video on how to add a user or admin to your business page. So once you've logged into Facebook and you are on your business page, you'll then click on your profile photo right here and then click settings and privacy, then settings, then page setup, and then page access. Click view. And then we're going to go ahead and add. Next. Go ahead and add Carl here. And we'll give him full access or partial access right there. And we'll go give access and enter our password. And good to go. That's it.